Today's Sunday, March 8th. I'm doing a functional validation test of the 1974 to 1976 Cadillac integral 8-track tape players, the original vintage 8-track tape players that I provide as a standalone unit for sale for somebody who just needs the 8-track tape player. So this is a fully reconditioned 8-track tape player. Okay, and that's basically what I'm doing a functional validation on this particular unit. This has a date code of 11/26/1975, and it's compatible from the 1974 to 1976 units. Okay, so I'm going to do a functional validation test. The unit's connected to power. I'm going to go ahead and
You have the right Medicare coverage. Now you can be sure with a free no obligation
turn on my radio and insert the 8-track cassette. Okay, that's the functional validation test for the 8-track integral cassette player, which is available separately, as well as completely restored units. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados, over 250,000 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items overall, and I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, power seat mechanisms, the AM/FM stereo radios with the integral tape players, such as this particular unit that has been fully restored to a level 10 restoration for a good friend of mine, and the standalone integral 8-track tape players, as well as the AC power programming logic controllers. So this is George in Florida. Today is March 8th. Thank you very kindly.